That's what really got me interested in the beetles, is because it's like, they're gold, they're shiny. It's like, why? Why are you gold? Why do you need to look like a beautiful piece of jewelry? I'm Sarah. I'm a grad student at BU and I study tortoise beetles. And today we're going to the Arnold Arboretum. The species that we're most likely to see today is the golden tortoise beetle. What's really cool about this beetle is that at rest, it's shiny and golden, but if it ever gets disturbed, it'll turn red. So we'll probably see some color changing beetles today. The other beetle that we'll see, hopefully, fingers crossed, because this is what my current research project is really focusing on, is the mottled tortoise beetle. I'm really interested in the color of the tortoise beetles. They're really sparkly, shiny, iridescent, and my research focuses on what ecological but also genomic things are happening with the beetles that allow them and make them be so colorful and shiny. The beetles are specialized to convolvulaceous plants. So those are morning glory and bindweed, sweet potato plants, and a lot of these are plants that will grow really well in disturbed areas. So urban parks are great places to find, like the Arboretum. Angular heart shape is what we're looking for. You go where the plants are, and if you see plants that have a bunch of little bite marks, that's usually a signal that beetles are there and they're eating the plants. We have little plastic tubes that we keep them in, and we basically sneak up on them and try to capture them. We bring them back to the lab where we keep them in climate-controlled terrariums for breeding studies. Over the summer, we like to go out and collect beetles because here in Massachusetts and New England, we have a lot of actually native tortoise beetle species. We can find a lot of really beautiful and diverse beetles that are just as fascinating and stunning as ones you would see near the equator. A lot of times the beetles are on the underside of the leaves, so sometimes I'll go really crazy and I'll like dip my head into the bushes and look up. And I just got one. My goal right now for my personal research is to get like 20 specimens from each site to start off. I haven't quite gotten that yet. This is called structural color. So there's two different types of color in nature. One that is caused by pigments. The chemical makeup of a pigment will cause it to be a particular color. But with the beetles that are iridescent like this, it's kind of like a bunch of complicated mirrors, all sort of like reflecting on top of each other. And so when light hits their hardened wings, the way it reflects back is very complex. And so it gives it that iridescent effect. You did? Yay!